Well, happy day, everybody. Welcome to some Vanna White Tiki Party. Oh my God. What am I saying, you guys? Welcome to some Tiki Fire, you guys. Lightning Link, a Tiki Fire. Look at that thing. It is on fire too, you guys. Whoosh, whoosh. Fire. Oh my gosh, now the fire is really coming up down at the bottom. And I have my bright red fire flower ring on today. Why not? It's a red kind of day. Flamin' red, you guys. Oh, calm down, Aunt. You need to first get on a denom. 10-cent denomination is where it's at today. Here's a look at our progressives. The mini is $100. The minor's $500. That major looks like it just hit, you guys, but $508. And that grand $17,746. That is Lightning Link $1, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that kind of an intro. Oh my gosh, what is that? Tiki Party? Okay, like I said, 10-cent denomination. Lucky 100 is in there. Let's get our volume all the way up so we can start our Tiki Party. Now's the time I can say it, you guys. All right, on 10 cent, our minimum bet is $2.50 and then $5. Let's do a couple of $5 since we're a new player and a new machine. Let's try that, you guys. I think that's pretty smart, Aunt. Hi, everybody. How y'all doing? Can I give you all a kiss? Bigfoot, you are so silly. But he loves you guys. He loves you guys. All right, $5 bets. Let's do it. Do it. Two more. I just saw the mini go by. Oh, but we only got 3. That was a $250 ball, you guys. All right, so in case you don't know, we need at least 6 of our lava fireballs or at least 3 of these volcanoes to get into the free spins, which let me tell you, that gets real juicy in those free spins, you guys, because our little Tiki men turn into multipliers. These guys, which are our wilds, they turn into multipliers in that free game. Oh, it gets real good. It gets real hot, you guys. That's what I should say, Tiki fire is hot. Okay, calm down, Aunt. Oh, I try to be cute, you guys. Trying to be cute. Yeah, he does that from time to time, you guys. Usually backfires. You guys, oh my gosh, Bigfoot. Okay, down to 70. Oh my gosh, I didn't even mean to hit it. I didn't even know I pressed it. Oh, look at that, you guys, $5. We got some bottle brush and some 9s. When I was growing up in the Bay Area in our backyard. One more, we got it. I was gonna say we had a huge tree and it was kind of a big shrub, and it was a bottle brush shrub. Oh, I remember that thing. My gosh. You guys, this is so exciting. Calm down. I don't even know what I'm saying or doing in my life right now. You guys, start feature. Here we go. We need those multipliers everywhere, you guys. 6 games. Come on, Tiki Man. See, he's a multiplier. If we can get... Are you serious? You block us? Okay. A little bit of... what are those things? Butterflies. Calm down. All right, 3 more. Bonus in the bonus. Don't block us. Uh-oh, last game. 1 more. Well, $41. Not the bonus I was hoping for, but you guys, the bonus came really quick, and that bonus is really hard to get. But 41 is 41. We're back to our 100. Let's keep going, you guys. 1 more. Oh my gosh, I thought we were going to be those people and get it back to back. And then, of course, there's our 1 more. Ooh, mini's $100. All right, let's keep going. I'll take either bonus. Oh, that was nothing? 2 more. Yeah, so growing up with that bottle brush bush in the back, which was, like I said, ginormica, If you've ever felt a bottle brush, those things, they feel really weird. Really weird. They're pokey, but yet they're soft somewhat on the inside, but at the ends, they're not. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about that. It means nothing, you guys. Guys, let's try some 250s. We could still land a great bonus on a 250. 4 more. 4 more. 2 more. Whatever. Nothing. Pretty lady pays the best. Okay, come on, Tiki. Come on, Tiki. Oh, that's nice. 5 of a kind bottle brush, I think 3 different ways. So is that $10, $10, and $10? Bam! I'm so good, you guys. Oh, 3 more. By the way, that bam was so loud, it even bursted out my eardrums. 4 more, 2 more. Okay, 2 more of those. Let's go again, because that was kind of a bonus bummer, you know. I mean, we love our bonuses. Nothing wrong with that. But we kind of need a bonus redemption. That was on a $5 bet, too. And what did we get? 39 or 41? Yeah, we kind of need a bonus redemption. Definitely a bonus redemption. 3 more, because sometimes you can get those multipliers. Multiply, 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 multiply. And you know, what is that? 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 would be 8. And then times 2 would be 16. I don't know, you guys. That's my math. And my math is always very questionable. But yeah, that could be 3 more. Come on. Really, really good when that happens. $2 for that? Okay. Hello, Tiki Fire. Can we get something, please? Let's get something, please. I'm kind of tempted. Guys, I'm kind of tempted. Let's just see. Ooh, somebody was doing $10 bets. I'm only going to do a couple of spins. Let's see if maybe the bonus is waiting over here. Oh my gosh, $100. 2 more. All right, couple more spins. Oh, come on, Ant. You can do this. You can. What? 3 more. Last spin. 3 more. Come on. Stop it. We got it, because that was going to be my last. Oh, I think I did say that was my last spin, you guys. Oh my gosh. What do we have? 15, 10, 10, 15. This is nice. This is nice. Come on, Ant. Let's do it to it. Our first hold and spin. Oh, no. No, no. Guys, colony magic. Let's do it. Come on. Oh my gosh, $20. Fabtastic, fabtastic. Let's keep going. I saw the mini. The mini now is $250, you guys. Oh my gosh, that minor is an instant jackpot. I would freak out if we landed that, you guys. Freak out. Come on, Ant. $5 is pretty close to the minor, you guys. That's pretty close. There you go again, thinking you're pretty cute, don't you? Bigfoot, stop it. Oh, 1 more spin. Gosh, we were in major danger zone, $13. Come on, Ant, just 1 more, land us. Save us, save us, save us. Oh my gosh, I saved us. Come on. What is it, 4 more spots? Oh my gosh, 3 more spots. 1 more, and we get to change. Oh my gosh, I saw the major. What is that, 510? Come on, Ant. Oh, no, 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 no. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Save us, save us, save us. Cue the dramatic music, you guys. Here we go. 2 more spots. Do it. Uh-oh. Do it. It's there. Last spin. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Come on, Ant. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh, not this time. Oh, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I just had a feeling. I just had a feeling about dollars. It did take a little longer than I expected to get the bonus, but that was going to be my last spin. 135. Stop it, dollars, you guys. Oh, the red fire ring is coming through. 148. Let's just do a couple more in case it has those people bonus back in it. Oh my gosh, it was ding, 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 and it was no more ding. Okay, oh my gosh, I got hiccups from Bigfoot. Bigfoot, get out of there. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on, Tiki Fire dollars. Do one more. Oh, the first two, and then we have 3 chances to get one more. Okay, it's toying with us now. It's toying with us. I said nothing. I said nothing. 2 more. All right, just a couple more spins. Oh, do it. Last spin, you guys, and I'm out of here. Okay, now we're only in for 100, so we are right back to even. Let's go back to our dimes. Let's try. Oh my gosh, I was going to say I didn't mean to go to 250, but now I'm kind of thinking maybe we should be on 250. We'll stay here for just a little bit. 2 more. No. Come on, Ant. 3 more. Oh gosh, then it blocks us. Isn't that sweet? Let's do a couple of 5s. Oh, high-fived, and then we get this. Come on, $5 bet. Come through for us. Come through for us. You know what? Let's do something. Let's head down to dollars. The max bet here is $5. Let's see if something happens over here for us. I don't know. Or maybe, oh, 1 more. Maybe we can shake things up. 1 more. Okay, I'm going to head back to our dimes, and maybe we shook things up enough that we can coax out another bonus. Tiki Fire can be very stubborn sometimes. Well, most times. But we've had the free games, and we've had the hold and spin. But like I said, we need a bonus redemption on that free games. That's for sure. And we were on a $5 bet too. Come on, Ant. 1 more. Are you serious? And we're in major danger zone again. Although this is where when we hit the 3 more. First real curse. This is when we hit the hold and spin last time. I think we were at $13. 3 more. Well, let's see what we're doing here, you guys. $4. Bottle brush. Almost all the way across, but $2.50. 2 more. All right, last spin. Well, you guys, I didn't think I was going to have to get in the black bag. However, I do have a little cash out voucher here for $15. Let's slide that in. Where do you guys think I should head? 2 cents? Should we try some $3? I don't know. We didn't do 2 cents yet. Come on, $3. I don't know. I'm really trying to mix things up. Oh my gosh, we could have had a 3-reeler. Last spin. I don't think that's going to be an... Oh, it is going to be enough for another spin. That is not enough for another spin. Well, I am going to have to get in the black bag for our second 100. And then I guess I'm going to try nickels. Although we did do our best on dollars. Let's try a little bit over at dollars. Maybe it's ready to pay us again. Oh, if we could just drop that miner. Ooh, $10. That was nice. The miner with 5 friends. Come on, miner. Oh. Not going to stay here very long, though. It gets too expensive because with only 5 lines, you're not getting any payback money. All right, one more spin. Shall we try it back here? Come on, Mr. Tiki Fire. Pretty lady, can you light up whatever you're holding or doing and bring us a bonus? 2 more. Oh my gosh, those numbers were fantastic. Guys, the nerves are nerving. That train has derailed big time. It has fallen over. It is like really bad. Well, I mean, I'm not counting us out until we're out, but yikes. Come on, Tiki. 2 more? Total of 2. 4 more. $1.50. Well, I don't know, you guys. My gosh, $25. That 100 went so fast. 3 more. Oh boy, major danger zone yet again. $10. That gives us what, 4 more spins? 4 more spins after this, unless some sort of colony magic can come through for us. Oh wait, $5. Okay. Come on, Ann, you can do this. Oh my gosh, $250. Our last spin, you guys. Come on. That is going to do it. 93 cents left. You guys, boo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Bigfoot, you sounded so happy when you said boo-hoo. You guys, thanks so much for watching this, I don't know, whatever this video was, a disaster, a dumpster fire, a loss, that's for sure. Until we meet again on the next video, you guys, which I hope will be very, very, very profitable. You guys take care of yourselves. You know I love you, love you, love you lots, Tiki Fire. Not so much today, not so much today. All right, you guys, we'll see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.